everybody, it's me Sissy back with a Dollar Tree haul. Got a lot of stuff, not really anything new, maybe one or two Easter things, but was out a lot of stuff, so kind of went crazy a little bit. But anyway, let's get right to it. The first thing I got some of the family style wheat bread. I don't know why my Dollar Tree had this on clearance for 4 loaves for $1, 25 cents a loaf. It's not expired. It feels soft. So I don't eat bread myself, but my family does, so I grabbed them a loaf of this wheat bread. So well, I don't know why it was $1. I mean, why it was 25 cents. Anyway, it was a great deal. Couldn't pass it up. I got a little bit of Easter decorations. Got this cute little yard sign. It says He is Risen. It's a garden stake. And the painting on it is not the best in the world, but I might be able to touch it up a little bit. It's kind of scuffed up, but it was just too cute to pass up. So I got that. I think that's beautiful. I might try to incorporate that onto a wreath if I can get the stake off of it without tearing it up. So, but we'll see. I got 2 of these essentials dish racks. One is going to be for, oh, I got my ring caught up, for my dishes, and the other one I'm trying to organize my vinyl. I got my heat transfer vinyl for my Cricut. I thought I could roll it up and kind of put it in there, and if that doesn't work, then I'll use that for my lids to my pots. But anyway, been watching too many organizing videos. The big thing on YouTube now is that Chinese or Japanese lady doing all her cleaning and everybody throwing everything away and organize it. But I'm a hoarder. I can't throw my stuff away, but I can't organize it. So I'm going to try to use that. And I got a pack of the American seeds, the zinnias. I love zinnias. These are the semi-dwarf ones, not the great big ones. So I'm going to plant these and see how they do. I always try it whenever Lowe's puts out their little spring plants. I always try to get zinnias, and last couple of years I've missed them and not been able to get any, so I'm going to start some from seed and see how they do. Okay, so I got some of this garden jute twine, which may be for DIYs or it may be in the garden, I'm not sure, but it's always good to have some string. And all this stuff is just in random order. I got it shoved in bags, and we're just going to take it out and see what we got. I got the lunch storage tower. This is really cute. I've seen several people haul these, and I thought I would give it a try. It'd be good to do my lunch in. It's got the 2 compartments. You can put something in here and then in here, and then it has this neat little container for you to put ranch dressing or dip of some kind, or mayonnaise, your condiments or whatever. But I thought that was really cute, and since it stands up, it's skinny, it won't take up much room. So I got that. And it came in like 3 or 4 different colors, so it was really cute. And I got a couple of the little garden planters, 3-piece, 3 pots. I wish I had seen this when I was doing my last DIY. I could have used these pots. I think they would look really cute. I may make another one and use these pots like I did in my wall hanging with the garden things. So that's another good idea. Y'all could do these. I don't think these would melt as easily. They might be a little tougher to cut, but these are really nice. I like those. And these will probably take paint better than the ones I used them in my last video. I couldn't get the paint to stick to it. It was just gummed up and wiped off. So, but these are good little planters. So. And let's see, some double crisp eggs. My mom has a little sweet tooth, so she had to get some chocolate covered eggs. And oh, I got some socks. I did find a pair of the little puppy socks for me. I bought some a previous haul for a friend, but I got a pair for myself. And then they had these cute little fox socks. I got those. Those were adorable. Then that's 2 pairs. So you got a little striped pair that comes with it too. So, but I got it for the foxes. And I had this lovely little white, I guess it's a salad plate in the dish section, but this is going to be in a really quick and easy DIY coming up, hopefully right after this video. But and it's the Royal Norfolk just says plate, but it's the smaller size, not big as a dinner plate. So I got that. And got Mama some chocolate animal crackers. This is the Staffers. I don't know what it is. Staffers, I guess. But she likes them. She likes animal crackers, so we got that. And I got a shower curtain liner. This is not for my shower. I use these as drop cloths, put down when I'm painting something or when I don't want to get mess on the floor. Like if I'm doing a mesh wreath, put this down because those little strings of mesh get hung up in the carpet and they're terrible to get out. So, and those are good to have. I got the Pristine Sleek Trust Me to Clean. I can't read. It's a shampoo brush. I have naturally curly hair, so I don't really wash my hair with shampoo. I do the co-wash with the conditioner, and you're not supposed to rub your head, you know, like you usually, when you wash your hair, you lather it up. It's in a book. I read a book, y'all, about curly hair, because I have naturally curly hair, but I wasn't born with naturally curly hair. My hair was straight up until I was, gosh, I don't know how old I was in 2000. How old I was in 2000. I got uterine cancer, and my hair didn't all fall out, but it got really thin, and when the new hair came in, it was just curled up, and it's getting curlier ever since. So I didn't know what to do with curly hair. I used to just flat iron it and straighten it, and just drove me crazy till I finally just like, you know what, I'm tired, I'm just going to let it be curly. So, but there is a book. I was like, this is so stupid. There's a book on how to do curly hair. It's the Curly Hair Bible or the Curly Girl Method or something. I can't remember. I'll get the book. I'll put a link to it down below. But anyway, not supposed to wash your hair. I've been washing my hair and putting conditioner in it my whole life, thinking, wondering why is my hair so dry? Why is my hair so dry? Well, I wasn't supposed to be washing it, so I don't wash it. I condition it. Use co-wash, which is really conditioner with a little tiny bit of shampoo in it. I do that maybe once or twice a week, depending on how dirty I think my hair is. But anyway, yeah, that's more than y'all wanted to know. But back to the haul. I got this is adorable tablecloth. This cute design on here. This is for a DIY if I can get it to work. Y'all will see that if I get it to work. And if I don't get it to work, we'll just put it on the table. It got me some little hair barrettes. I like these nice spring colors, and you get 8 of them. These are great. They don't damage your hair, because sometimes the little plastic ones, they get stuck in my hair. So I love the little clip ones. And let's see. Sure Fresh snack bags, 36. This is great for $1. And I kind of use these when I do my keto, when I make my minute muffins. I like to go ahead and measure out all my ingredients and have them in a little pack, so then when I can get up in the morning and I want one, I can just dump it in my cup, add an egg, and just microwave it, and I have a muffin. So that is great to have. That's better than dragging all the stuff out. And I got my usual, I got my extra strength Carpet Fresh to get rid of those pesky puppy smells. And I got some Tide Simply Clean and Fresh detergent. I like to take this and mix it in with my LA Awesome, because it has a really nice fragrance. It's a stronger fragrance than the LA Awesome. And so that way I have a gallon of laundry detergent, and it's $2. Well, you can't beat that. So and I think maybe it cleans it a little bit better. And then I did get my laundry detergent. Usually I like the orange one. They were out of that today, so I've got this one with oxygen. I don't know if that helps clean more or what, but I've got that. And I had to sneak me in a little rock star. This has 1 carb per serving, and which is 1 can. And I know they're not the best thing in the world. If you're doing strictly keto, you wouldn't drink this because it has stuff in it that probably is bad for you. But I like them. I run on these and coffee. So then I got another 3-ring binder. I'm using these with the pocket protector, pocket things. I can't remember what they're called now. I can't remember. It's the little clear things that you slide stuff in. I'm using it to organize my little scraps of vinyl, so that when I'm looking for a scrap, I don't have to dig through the whole box. I can just flip open my binder. When I get it all organized and pretty, I'll show it to you, if that ever happens. Here are my 2 favorite things that I found today. This beautiful little Easter sign what I did doesn't necessarily have to be Easter. This could be spring, right on into summer. It says, welcome to our patch, with the carrots on it, and this cute little trim that's corrugated metal. That's really cute. And I got a bunny sign. I wanted this sign last year, never could find it or get my hands on one, but now I have it, so I'm going to have to make a wreath to go with this. So y'all look for that. That'll be coming up soon. And then my mom got herself a sign. She wants to hang this in her room. It says Easter Blessings. Isn't that adorable? It's so cute. And it's got the purple glitter, but that'll be cute. We're going to hang that on her door. So, and then I got some organizing things. Oh, I got something in the organizer. Okay, I got the Aroma Guru Roll-On Muscle Ease. This is good. I've used this before. It says it has essential oils in it, like ginger and black pepper and turmeric, which all that stuff is supposed to help with inflammation and pain. And I use Salon Paws and Tiger Balm and everything. I have pain in my thumbs and in my shoulder, but this is good. I keep this in my purse, and it does help a little bit. So, and of course, I got my dog poopy bags. No, but y'all don't want to know about putting poop in a bag. But anyway, those are great, and it's a great price. And then I got these. It's called a book bin organizer. This I'm going to take these to work and put my file folders in them at work, so I can. Trying to get organized at work too, like I'm trying to get organized at home. But for home, I got these beautiful little daisy basket, I think it's called. Yeah, it's the daisy print baskets. When I get my binder with my scraps in it, I know I'm going to have at least two, that I'm going to take them and put them in the thing so they'll stand up and I can find them. And then I'm going to organize some of my other craft supplies in these. So I thought they'd be cute, and I like that it dips down in the front. You can put taller down, you know, stagger the height, but I thought that was good. So I got one of each color they had, and I love these new colors, especially this blue and the gray. And then I got two of the little longer flat baskets. I think I'm going to put these in my refrigerator to help organize some stuff in there, so it's easier to pull in and out and find things. Now, two more items and we'll be done with this long. This thing's gotten longer than I thought. Got a little pitcher. This is to make tea in at work. I'm trying to cut out the soft drinks, and at work we always have soft drinks in the refrigerator, and I'm hoping that if I make my tea and put it in there, I will reach for it instead of a canned soda. Y'all wish me luck. And I got these cute little cupcake containers. The only thing that I don't like about these containers is they hold 9 cupcakes. To me, that is an odd amount. It should be 12 cupcakes, but I mean, for $1. And I'm going to take some vinyl and cut it on my Cricut and decorate these a little bit. But these will be great for Easter coming up, if you want to take cupcakes to church or to work or send them to your kids' school. This would be great to use. And it's only $1, and if you don't get it back, you've only lost $1. But anyway, y'all, that is my long haul. A lot of good stuff. Nothing really new except for a couple of the signs. But anyway, I'm going to get this stuff put up, try to make some crafts, and get a video out to y'all. But anyway, I want to thank everybody for supporting my channel. This morning I hit 3,000 subscribers. To me, that's just amazing. I know I've seen other people be doing, oh, I've got 100,000 subscribers. That's a number I can't fathom, but 3,000 is amazing. And now I'm like, oh, maybe I could get 5,000. That would be great. But anyway, y'all have a great day and a great weekend. And this is a long weekend for me. President's Day is coming up, and I do have the day off for work. Hallelujah. So I will have an extra day, and hopefully I won't spend it watching Netflix. I'll actually make some videos for y'all. But have a great day, and remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Get shopping and get crafting. Bye, y'all.